Hello, welcome to First Dates. Today we will meet three couples who want to find love.
Hi, I'm Paola, I'm 16 and I'm studying science. I'm looking for someone to spend time with. I'm a shy person and he has to be taller than me and he also has to love music.
Hello, my name is Mark. I'm 16 years old and I'm studying technologies. I'm a quiet person and I'm looking for someone to spend time with. She must be sporty and she must be very optimistic.
Hello, my name is Elena. I'm 16 years old and I study science. And I would like to date someone who is just like me because I am a very enthusiastic person. And I don't know. Let's see.
Hello, my name is Albert. I'm 16 years old. I study humanities. I'm a very serious person and I'm looking for someone just like me and to have a long-term relationship. I would like to date someone who is shorter than me.
Hello, my name is Stella and I'm 16 years old. I study science and I'm looking for a guy who likes partying like me. And he has to be very sportive and funny.
Hello, I'm Bernat and I'm 16 and I'm studying technologies. I'm a really sportive person. I like swimming and I also like music, and I would like to find someone just like me. Hi.
Hello. I didn't expect you were so handsome.
Oh, honey, you're so beautiful too.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Stella, but you can call me whatever you want.
Oh, mama.
Oh, hi, sorry for being late.
I hate when people are late.
Oh, sorry. What's your name?
Albert.
Well, my name is Elena.
Sorry.
Hi,
My taxi didn't come in time.
don't you live close?
No, I was at my grandmother's house.
And what do you like doing on your free time?
I like reading the newspaper and watching documentaries.
Great. I like playing with my cats.
I hate cats. I'm allergic to them. I have a lizard.
Interesting.
So, what do you like doing?
I really like singing. I listen to music a lot actually. What kind of music do you listen to?
I don't really like music.
Oh,
I like reading.
me too. What kind of books do you read?
I like mystery books.
Oh, well, I like romances.
Yeah.
What do you do on your free time?
Well, I like listening to music, especially reggaeton.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Me too. I love it.
Bernat, would you like to have a second date with Stella?
Yes, of course. I would love to.
And Stella, would you like to have a second date with Bernat?
Yes, I like him a lot.
Paula, would you have another date with Mark?
Yes, I would have a second date with Mark, but as friends.
And you, Mark, would you have another date with Paula?
Yes, I would like, but as she said, just as friends.
Okay.
Hi, Albert. Would you like to have a second date with Elena?
No, because she's so annoying.
Elena, would you like to have a second date with Albert?
No, because he's so rude.
Okay, that was
Oh my
fun.
Ese gritarito roto, yo sentí como crujía. Antes de caerse al suelo, ya sabía que se rompía. Está parpadeando la luz del descansillo. Una voz de la escalera, alguien cruzando el pasillo. Malamente, sí, sí, malamente. Mira, malamente, más que toma, malamente. Y yo, malamente. fuerte que la acera. Mira, 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 mira. Cuanto más quiero cruzarlo, va, más se mueve y tambalea.